Hey, welcome to Gran-Pa's Stoic. Have you ever had a door slam shut right in your face, only to realize later that it was actually the best thing that could have happened? Today we're diving into how to turn the tables on rejection, drawing inspiration from the Stoic wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. Picture this. Instead of letting every no knock you down, what if it could propel you forward? Rejection, a word that usually stings, can be turned into a stepping stone to greatness. It's not about manipulating fate, but realizing that sometimes the universe's no is a hidden yes to something better. Are you feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued? It's time to change the narrative. In this video, we'll break down 6 powerful lessons on how to harness the power of rejection. These aren't just theories, but real-world, practical strategies that you can use in your everyday life. Before we dive in, make sure you hit the like button and ring the notification bell so more people can benefit from this wisdom. Now let's get started on this life-changing journey together. Ready to turn your rejections into victories? Let's begin. Number 1, ignore them too. When life hits you with indifference, don't retreat, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you is not about being petty, but about making a statement of your own self-worth. Imagine someone decides you're not worth their time. That's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you're saying, I am worth more. It's like reflecting their behavior right back at them, showing you're unaffected. How do you avoid bitterness while doing this? Focus on your life, your goals, and your happiness. Dive into activities that fulfill you, whether it's reading, sports, learning something new, or spending time with those who value you. It's not about getting back at someone, but about reclaiming your energy and putting it where it really matters. Yes, it can sting when someone ignores you, but instead of letting that pain consume you, use it as a tool for growth. Build a wall of self-respect so that their indifference bounces right off. You're not just surviving rejection, you're thriving despite it. This shows emotional maturity and inner strength. Your worth doesn't decrease because someone fails to see it. Stay true to yourself and let your actions speak louder than their silence. Number 2, don't react emotionally. Rejection can hurt and it can make you want to react emotionally. But here's a secret weapon from the Stoic playbook: calmness. When someone dismisses you, it's tempting to let frustration or sadness take control. However, Stoicism offers a different path, embracing a composed, thoughtful response. This doesn't mean suppressing your emotions, but learning not to let them rule you. When you're ignored, instead of getting upset, take a step back. Ask yourself, why is this bothering me? More often than not, it's not the rejection itself, but our own insecurities that hurt the most. Stay polite and kind. If you feel like reaching out, do it without expecting anything in return. This isn't passivity, it's emotional mastery. Your value isn't tied to others' approval, and your power lies in how you choose to respond. Mastering this mindset will not only help you grow, but also make you more attractive to others because people are drawn to those who are self-assured. Number 3, remove them from your mind. When you face rejection, learning detachment becomes one of your greatest assets. This doesn't mean pretending the rejection didn't sting. It's about transforming that experience. Acknowledge the rejection, feel its impact, but don't let it dominate your thoughts. Like a sailor navigating through a storm, use the waves of rejection to push you forward, not sink your ship. Reframe rejection as a detour that can guide you toward new paths and opportunities. Engage in activities that enrich you. Read a challenging book, try a new sport, or volunteer for a project that gives you a fresh perspective. These aren't mere distractions, but steps toward self-discovery and growth. Number 4, demonstrate your value. When rejection hits, it's an opportunity to showcase your resilience. Instead of shrinking under the weight of dismissal, view it as a chance to reveal your grit. If you're overlooked in a meeting or passed over for a promotion, take a deep breath. Don't wallow in self-pity, channel that energy into productive action. Work on a project that highlights your skills. Take the lead on a new initiative. Your value doesn't diminish just because someone overlooks you. It's an opportunity to shine even brighter. When one door closes, it's not just an old saying, it's a blueprint for action. Rejection can be a redirection to something that aligns better with your talents and passions. Number 5, cut off contact. Silence is more than the absence of sound. It's a powerful tool in dealing with rejection. When you've been ignored or turned down, your instinct might be to fix it, to reach out and bridge the gap. But here's the twist. Embrace silence. It's not about playing games, but about regaining your power. By choosing not to react or bombard them with messages, you're taking a step back to recalibrate. This pause isn't just for them, it's for you. It's a time to refocus on your goals and remember your self-worth. Silence is a boundary you set for your own peace of mind. It's saying, I respect myself too much to chase. Number 6, prove them wrong. Rejection can be fuel for growth. When someone doubts your abilities, use that doubt to sharpen your skills, not for their approval, but to surpass your own limits. Master that skill, not for the big reveal to those who doubted you, but to strengthen your confidence. Let your actions do the talking. If they say you're not creative, embark on a project that proves them wrong. If they think you're uncommitted, show your consistency. Number 7, embrace fun and adventure. The true essence of life truly reveals itself when we venture beyond our familiar comforts. Finding joy goes beyond mere enjoyment. It's a strategic approach to building resilience. When confronted with rejection, the usual response is to retreat and wallow in the negativity of the experience. But here's an alternative approach. Challenge that instinct by intentionally seeking out joy. This doesn't mean dismissing your emotions, but rather offering them a new arena to play in. Whether it's picking up a new hobby or revisiting an old passion, these actions serve as a form of resistance against the sting of rejection. As social beings, there's significant power in shared experiences. In your journey to harness rejection, remember the importance of your community. Invite friends for a hike, participate in a community art project, or simply enjoy a meal together. These connections do more than just lift your spirits. They affirm your place within the network of human interaction. Each shared laugh, each exchanged story, subtly reinforces that you are more than just your setbacks. You are part of a larger narrative that thrives on connection and mutual resilience. Here's where the true magic unfolds. Stepping into the unknown. Rejection might seem like a closed door, but it actually opens many others. Try a new cuisine, explore a neighborhood you've never been to, or attend a workshop on a completely new subject. These new experiences aren't just distractions. They're opportunities for personal growth. Each new experience adds layers to your character, making you more adaptable, empathetic, and better prepared for life's challenges. Remember, the goal isn't to forget the rejection, but to evolve from it, turning every no into a stepping stone towards a richer, more vibrant life. We've explored the realm of reverse psychology together, navigating through its complexities to uncover 6 powerful lessons on transforming rejection into a catalyst for success. Remember, every no you encounter is a stepping stone towards resilience, embodying a lesson in Stoicism that teaches us to harness our inner strength. Now, I encourage you to integrate these insights into your daily life. View rejection not as a setback, but as a springboard for growth and self-discovery. I'm excited to hear about your triumphs, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment below. Share your journey, your victories, and even your struggles. If you're unsure what to say, simply type "strength in adversity" to show you've completed our session. Your engagement energizes this community, guiding us towards greater wisdom, understanding, and the art of turning every challenge into an opportunity. Here's to mastering the art of Stoic resilience together. Stay Stoic.